Hey YouTube, welcome once again. It's Femi Fasa, and as you can see, we have a very huge TV right in front of us that we need to unbox today. I'm sure you've been seeing some of our episodes of unboxing series. So, the previous time was the Samsung Galaxy X20 FE edition. So today we have this big TV, this huge TV that we want to see what's inside. Samsung recently has been really unveiling some really high-end big TVs and sharp quality QLED series, and I'm sure you can't wait to join me in unboxing this Samsung Q800t. What are we waiting for? Let's get to it. But hold up, have you subscribed? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Let's get to it. So starting with, it's time we need the scissors, and let's get off this bad boy and see what it's got for us. Down one. Done. All right. I think the part that we can't wait for. Okay. Definitely bad boy. Okay. Slowly. Slowly. Oh, I need your help. Please. Come over. I think I'm almost back. Oh, done. Oh. Alright, I think it's Doreen. Alright. What's next? Let's get this guy out. I would like to take that one out first. The other one. Gotta watch your leg. This guy is notoriously heavy. Jeez. Okay. Alright, we'll flip it. Let it fit. The other way. Can you be careful, please? Alright, let it slide. Good. Alright. This side, let me get up this metal handle. Okay, good. You hear that? Oh, that's it. Pretty heavy though. So this is where I'm going to mount the plastic frame to that supports the TV. So it's very, very helpful. That's if you don't want to use a wall stand or a wall mount, and this is a table stand mount. Pretty heavy actually, very heavy and sturdy. Okay, I'll need a hand as well. This just to get this bad boy out of this. Yes. We'll go put your hand down. Let's put it flat like this. Bad boy. Good. So, the plastic that connects to the huge metal stand. And some other accessory kits. You've got your manual, how you can carry it. Sorry, we're ready to take it off. And first, let's start with this. What do you have? Let's delete this. This is not the main thing here. Let's go for this. Unveiling this boy, we have the power source, the channel, the wire cable. I think that's one good thing Samsung has really improved on their TV. They have the wire channels, so you don't have to have wires everywhere. And looking at this, you have the antenna in, external link, LAN. Also, you have the HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, EARC, and for the gamers you have
HDMI in 4, you have digital output optical, and clearly you don't want to mess with the optical cables because you know the fragile glass and you should be careful with them. Now USB HDD 5 volts 1 amp, so apparently you can use it to charge or connect to any device that draws maximum, I think fairly 800 milliamps should be fair, so you don't want to draw 1 amp. Similarly, you have another 5 volts 0.5 amp, that's about 500 milliamps. There's so many other things you can do with this, but I'm sure you're not here for the old talking. You want to see what the picture looks like. But first I need to show you how to mount this, where we'll be using this holes for the mounting. That's the bad boy I showed you earlier.
You need to pay attention to this part. Those holes are the parts you will screw the plastic to, and the part you can see front over there, that is where the front of the TV should face.
Alright.
So when mounting the plastic on the metal bar, it's very important to pay attention to this. Remember the holes I mentioned on that should be connected to the iron bar. That's the sturdy part to that. Those hooks that you can see on top, those hooks will be connected to the top of the iron bar. You can see if you fix it this way, it's not gonna work. It won't be sturdy, it will just be wobbling. So please remember not to do that if you don't want to damage your TV. Remember to use the hook on the iron bar first before connecting to your TV.
The hook will hook onto this part of the TV. You can see the front side and you can see the 3 dots. So this is all, you can actually call this the front, and this side also the front. And next you just see it's fixed nicely, and that's it, snug. And what's next? Get the screws, fasten, and you have a pretty good sturdy TV. Now you can see this part that I'm pointing at gets hooked to this. Let's go to that side. Gets hooked to this side, and you can then screw the remaining parts. You have a pretty sturdy TV ready to be viewed. And as usual, you just need to like the star, as we call it sometimes. You screw nicely. So it's pretty done, sturdy. All the screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And you can see they're all joined together. Time to mount the TV on this bad boy. Let's get to it. Alright, sturdy, everything's sorted. Time to mount on the TV stand. Power cable, batteries, smart remotes, manuals that people don't read. Okay. Wow, this is lovely. Black, kind of a bit of titanium aluminum. Really lovely. Good.
In my next video, I will be setting up the TV, but you can look at the beautiful picture quality till the end. It's really awesome. Watch it.
This is mad at 8K.
Oh, damn.
8K, yo.
I will also be sharing some important tricks, tips that I found, and I'll review the TV. Remember to like, subscribe so that you can also get a notification when the video drops. Thank you.